In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow Steam download speed. We'll walk through a few quick settings in Steam and Windows that can make a noticeable difference, and I'll explain why each one matters so you know exactly what you're changing. Start by opening Steam and heading to Settings, then Downloads. Look for the option that limits download speed. If it's enabled, uncheck it to remove any artificial cap. Even a small limit can throttle big game updates, so this is an easy win. While you're here, choose a download region that's close to your location, or pick another nearby region if your current one seems crowded. Steam uses regional servers, and a less busy or closer server often means better throughput. Confirm your changes so Steam uses the updated settings. Next, still in the Downloads section, clear the download cache. This wipes out any stuck or corrupted temporary files that can slow things down. After you clear it, Steam will restart and you'll need to log in again. That's normal. When Steam reopens, try your download to see if the speed improves. If you often play while updating games, enable the option to allow downloads during gameplay. By default, Steam may pause or slow updates to avoid affecting performance in-game. Turning this on can keep downloads moving if that fits your setup. Now let's tidy up network usage in Windows. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and sort by the network column so the most bandwidth-hungry apps float to the top. Close anything you don't need, like browser streaming video, voice chat apps, or cloud sync tools. Select the app and choose End Task. Be careful to avoid closing anything critical to Windows. For one final boost, go to the Details tab in Task Manager, find Steam.exe, right-click it, and set its priority to high. This gives Steam better access to system resources while it's running. Keep in mind that priority changes reset after a restart, so you may need to repeat this if you reopen Steam later. At this point, you've removed speed caps, picked a better server, cleared the cache, allowed downloads during gameplay if needed, shut down bandwidth hogs, and prioritized Steam. Test your download again and you should see a smoother, faster result. If it's still inconsistent, it could be temporary server congestion, so trying again a bit later can help. That's it. Thanks for watching.